Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the book that I wrote over a period, and I've been doing goal setting since 2004. I love this. This is a book like Rich Dad Poor Dad, like Think and Grow Rich, that you really must get a copy from. And it's not because I wrote it, but I had to read it as well, to proofread it, and over the month of December, and I couldn't believe what the wealth of information is in here. Part of that is to help you build a balanced life and set goals on all areas of your life, your spiritual side, mindset, family, friends, physical fitness, financial freedom, and fun, obvious, and career. I also have 4 pages in there, or chapters in there, building success through affiliate marketing. That is what we do in Digino. The path to financial freedom. I've got a roadmap in there. The power of your story and building leaders in affiliate marketing. So this is really a book that it's an asset that you can acquire. And there's the screen, ftwc, digino.com.ftwc. I will also share the link where you can buy the book from. I will personally sign that book for you. And the price is $3.49, and it is your courier cost included in that. So it is not a book that you just buy from the shelf. So you can fill in there your details and do your payment. And this is really, I can tell you, not because I'm the author of the book, this is a book that will help and assist you to change your life and your mindset. And the other great thing is that once you bought the book, I immediately take you to another site where you not only get the book, but also get videos and the tools that goes with the book, the Excel sheets and all the tools. In 2020, we did a whole program that we sold for 10,000 Rand for 5 coaches. So my part was 2,000 Rand, but I decided, listen, I can't sell this program and the book for 2,000 Rand. Let's make it 349. The book, the program included. But this is really going to help you to build your digital business as well. So thank you.